PGP West Khasi Hills hakani ka sengi abang Iwan hakani ka meeting ke bala penbet lang dekat Sarkar Assam dan kat Sarkar Meghalaya kat Konggo Bangi Osno bakadi ka ba daya penbet lang baro artali ha langpi ani ha yo langpi ke badon te kendiat kapan snowling ngo bat kapan snow thang ni bani I ba hakani ka meeting ke bala long mentas ni ba ngingitip mengingitip bahalang pi ki majoriti gibril bijak gendru basa ki ka ki Assam ki Khasi wat ki Garo dan rina duk sedang ban keren priang adu bahadin adu ba kapau ba teng kim nyo ki Khasi nama mereka ketin Khasi ti tat hadin duk limbai ba renik badi minister in charge du PHE pen kelak tian ni gitu pi jingkeren di CM Baro kita ni kendiat kapan thang ni ka bun sin ke jumi ke kentin ke baong ba ni long komunal tema mentak la nang pau ba manu bolong komunal de maki hikim kenshu ki majority ki Khasi ki badon hutu ki basa kan ka than lang pi naduk na mo star ter syadu sini serum de ki brun kondong ki bam danang bah tho ketar ni ke putih kim da sutu bhai ka thareng ba Khasi henry ki sujo bet stang ya ka pensyai hadir Ndrai hang tu ko mod kala mi ka kentin nadu ketua bapenya je meeting kentai kala keren syai bahkan keren dekat Hindi dekat Garo dekat English kendiat kendon su ka mention dan rekat badangnya ke meeting il anang isu su ba leng ni ka meeting ndai ba arrange dekat Sarkar Meghalaya di bala arrange dekat Sarkar Assam kaba kila ya le ban avoid ru ba di Khasi basa akan ni ka dong ka than kinum tip buat kisiem buat kirang ba snong ki pat ba bun kip officially ndri ki subana nang ni nang tai te ndri snodon bok akan ni sini ba nilai apoi baro ki para Khasi ki ba don akan ni ka dong ka than kat bat ki para Garo ki jungi ki ba sa akan ni ka area te sakawai ka ba nakaliang ka jungi ko ban penbet kendiat kalong oban kentho kendiat la ne ban keren ni ai kalong ka jingja jong Brio ka district council.
Actually, we are very grateful today that what the CM, Honorable CM of Assam, Dr. Hemanta Biswa Sarma, as well as the Honorable CM of Meghalaya, Honorable Sri Karnap Sangma, what has been present today in this meeting. So definitely we are hoping, we Gorkha Student Union, we are hoping for a fruitful result. Because you see, Ampi issue is a long issue. Here, in long back past, different kinds of unsocial activities, incidents, unfortunate incidents has taken places here, which means instruct the development of the community residing here. So we as a Gorkha Student Union, it has been a long demand that people residing over here, whatever caste creed it may be, they should live peacefully. There should be a social progress, there should be an educational progress, there should be social activities. All community residing here should live peacefully. Definitely the harmony and integrity will prevail after this meeting we expect here, and this issue has been pending for a long back, and Dr. Hemanta Biswa Sarma has been taking initiative not only as a CM but also when he was in different portfolios long back. He has been taking initiative for the development of this area. We Gorkha people are residing here in a large number. Definitely we hope that we people in coming days would live in a peaceful environment over here.
I mean, from your organization, are you ready to accept whatever they will decide today, or you will examine it?
Look, definitely we have to examine it because we have great faith in what the CM. Definitely our CM, Dr. Hemanta Biswa Sarma, will take the decision in the favor of Assam, in the favor of our community, in the favor of the people residing over here, whoever maybe it may be. But whatever the decision is taken, definitely we will examine. And if we are not satisfactory about it, we will take out our decision and speak about it.